Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what's in the box with the HI96801 sugar refractometer. This meter is ideal for the analysis of fruits, energy drinks, puddings, soy milk, juices, jam, marmalade, honey, soups, jelly, tofu and condiments. Within seconds, this instrument measures the refractive index of a sample and converts it to percentage Brix. In the box is a detailed instruction manual, an instrument quality certificate, a pipette to aid in mess-free measurements, a 9-volt battery, and the portable meter with a large LCD screen, 3-button design, and the measurement prism. On the base are non-slip feet and the battery compartment. To get started, install the included 9-volt battery. To do so, twist off the battery compartment lid, insert the battery and screw back into place. Calibration on the HI96801 should be performed daily, before measurements are made, after replacing the battery, or between a long series of tests. To do the calibration, turn the device on. Use the plastic pipette to fill the sample well with distilled or deionized water. Make sure the prism is completely covered. If the zero sample is subject to intense light, such as in this example, cover the sample well with your hand or other shade during calibration. Then press the 0 key. If no error messages appear and the unit displays 0.0, it is calibrated. You can now take a measurement. And that's what's in the box and how to get started on the HI96801. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.